Hello guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you and I want to share you about my experience use of microbit. So in the session I will not share about microbit, but I just want to introduce and suggest you some feature for you as first time to use microbit. So I try to ask you about the what and why microbit. Well, this one is the website of Microsoft Microbit. So in this web, you can try to new project, and also you can watch the tutorial if you want to first train. You don't know how to begin the project, so you can watch also a lot of tutorial here. So from the cam and also for the measurement of your project and the many tutorial you can scroll down. It's really complete here. I really suggest you to create an account because it's free and you can take a course in here, and it's really useful if you're a teacher or also if you're a student. Well, in this session I want to answer about what is the microbit and how will microbit impact STEM education. So it's really interesting, right? Well, based on the microbit's website, the microbit team say that microbit is a non-profit organization dedicated to inspiring every kids to achieve their greatest digital future. We can highlight in this set statement, inspiring kids. It's mean like this component, this tool, microbit is really no, but microbit developed to help a student for learn about the digital or the program or coding. So it really useful and friendly for kids. Okay, next. Let me explain and show you the microbit. In the front you can see this a lot of component. This like button, input A and B, and also this one pin 0, 1, 2, 3 and ground, and this one is light sensor. And in the back side you can see the temperature sensor and microbit and also compass or accelerometer. That's why this really help to interdisciplinary field because a lot a complete component. For example, like you can ask to your student to measure of the temperature or also like level and or of course about the magnetic field. So you can also buy some components to improve to advance your project with your student. It's just a basic microbit. You can put or you can buy speaker or motor and the other component you can buy. Well, their mission to develop microbit. First, inspire young people to embrace technology by developing hardware and software, creating user-friendly educational resources, and collaborating with a partner to deliver impactful programs globally. Because my background is education, I just want to highlight with you, show you about the user-friendly educational. So of course, microbit is developed for the education's field. One of the subject object is to create for the teacher to help the kids learn about the coding and program in the basic. So that's why it's really user friendly. The teacher can learn first and also teach your kids or make a mini project or create the amazing project. Well, I want to show you a paper about the review impact of microbits STEM education, where I published in the International Journal of Science Education and Teaching this year. You can find in the Google Scholar or the other or in this journal. Because we talk about the microbit, that's why the cloud word is microbit and also about STEM, student and learning. Next, based on that research, I find the start of micro:bit research in STEM subject is 2020. It means that during COVID-19, and after that is increased until 2022, and then now it's decreased. But I'm sure that maybe the researchers still developing and still studying about the impact of microbit to uh, impact to STEM field education. And mostly the education level studies about the microbit as primary school. It's really relates with the microbit team to train and to help the kids for understand about the program. Next, we want to know about the impact of microbit. So the microbit, especially in STEM, is to increase student knowledge and experience, and of course make them interesting and meaningful. Because the student have experience, make a coding and try to thinking and creative to solve a problem, and then check and evaluate their work in the real with the microbit. It's not only in the computer but also in the real experiments, in the real experience. Well, the next, the microbit tried to promote critical thinking and coding abilities among students by allowing them to program it themselves. So it's how the student tried to increase and train critical thinking and coding abilities. And of course, this microbit can help a student increase collaboration and communication skill. For example, like the ideal student in the group consists of 2 or 3 students. So one of them try to collecting data, and the other one is make a coding, and the other one is try to check the progress in the coding in the microbits in the real. So all of them will discuss and try to give an idea and also try to give an alternative solution. That's why it's really meaningful and interesting for students. And I want to highlight this one. So the microbit is expected to assist students in solving real world problems. It's just for the kids, but it's really interesting. Okay, this one is the characteristic of microbit studies in the STEM education. What I have told to you previously is like the education level mostly in the primary school or elementary school, and the sample not only student but also teacher, and the education content on field mostly is STEM field, for example like technology, computing, or program. And the next we can see also is like the teacher can help a student to learn in the online webinar. For example, is this one. What did Kasayov do in the 2022 around almost 400 students joined with the online webinar to learn about microbit. But I'm sorry, this education level for the teacher, yeah, in service teacher. So student here is the student in university. Okay, then yes, of course you can see that mostly education content in STEM or STEAM field context or activities or robotics, something like that. Okay guys, maybe that's enough for me for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and don't forget to watch about my experience in my video about the microbit. See you in the next video.